Hey guys, how's it going? So, I assume if you watched my other Dyson videos, you'll probably watch this in my last one, the use and review video. Sorry, I just kind of get talking and run out of time, and I wanted to show you guys the results of, picking up the stuff from the slate floor, and that chair that I vacuumed, and then a little bit of the carpet demo. So, here's what this, full-size powered handheld picked up. So basically some fluff and then the obvious surface loader. You know what, screw it, I'll just empty it on the floor for you guys. I never do that, but why not? Still quite, sorry, wasting time here. There we go. Now I got the top open. So, that's what it picked up. That was from the chair. I remember seeing that flying around the canister, which, I'll be honest, I haven't vacuumed that chair in a week, so whatever. And there's the little bits of stuff that were on the chair. And then there's basically the cat litter that it picked up off the slate floor. So none of this is embedded dirt. I mean, not that there is any to pick up in my carpets, but this is basically all surface dirt. So, this video, I'm going to use the little mini power head to clean our dog's bed, and you can see there's a bunch of hair in there. So, like I said, I've been really impressed with this head. And I feel like it's the same thing as the Dyson V8 one without having looked at it, but just going by the pictures, and I think it uses the same brush roll, so that's all for nothing really. I guess if the V8 has it, then it's kind of like whoop-de-doo for the V10. But if the V8 one isn't like this, well then I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to show you the chamber is pretty cleaned out here, or bin. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, it stopped right away, but it just wants to really keep stopping. This might not go as planned. So. So that was just on speed 1. This is really hard to do one-handed, and kind of looks like I'm spazzing out with it. Here's what got around the brush, so not much. We have a long-haired dog. He's a Japanese chin. But you can see I picked up a good amount of his hair in the bin. And then some fine dust that just, probably skin cells from his from him. But I mean, you can hear how it just, you can see how it just really digs into the bedding. So, you know, really impressed with this tool. If it's an upgrade from the V10, then awesome, and or if it's the same as the V10, then or V8, I should say. If it's an upgrade from the V8, then that's awesome. And if this is the same thing as the V8 one, then I think I might have to upgrade to a V8 just to have this little power head. So yeah, it does a really good job cleaning up the dog bed. And like I said, this is really difficult one-handed because I really need to hold one side and go at it with the machine with the other, and that's just kind of hard holding the iPad here. So I guess I'll vacuum up this little pile of stuff here. Looks good. It doesn't look like it embedded anything into the carpeting. So yeah, sorry it's like not the greatest dog hair test. I think I'm gonna brush the dog and the cat and then lay it out on probably on the carpet and then on the sofa. It's easier to clean than the dog bed, but I just thought I'd give it a go. So yeah, pretty good results being one-handed, so let me know what you think, like, comment, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.